Okay, introduce yourself to the Hollywood Times.
So I'm Jerry with Coit Spirits. We are all about producing gin using different teas to give the character to the gin.
Wow.
So we do Earl Grey, we do Rooibos, the red leaf tea from South Africa, and also Lapsang Souchong, which is a smoky India based tea.
Nice. Can the parrots have some?
I think they've had enough.
I think they want some.
I think they've had enough.
This one is looking at me. What do you want? He's like, I want some Coit. I want some Coit. I want some Coit. Look at that. They wish. Which one is your favorite flavor?
Well, this has been the favourite today, and that's the Army Navy cocktail. Today it is called Sinner's Caravan.
Nice. Well, if I have a little bit, can I try a little bit of this one?
All right. You're lucky. We can do that.
Just a little bit, thank you.
Yes, absolutely.
It has alcohol in it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it does.
Thank you. Just a little bit. Thank you so much.
So quiet.
So this is made with our smoked gin, the Caravan, lemon juice,
Thank you.
orange hearts, so it's fresh pressed lemon juice minus lemon, and a little bit of ginger liqueur.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Cheers.
Cheers.